Hello and welcome to this short video. In this video I'm going to talk about the project that I am doing under PLC 2017. I'm Mohan Pant, Assistant Professor in the Department of Curriculum and Instruction here at UT Arlington, and my topic for PLC 2017 is discourse analysis of discussion boards related with concepts of research process and statistics in an online graduate level educational research method course. And in this project I'm analyzing the responses of graduate students in an online course, and these responses are in relation with the discussion board questions. So let me show you the next slide, in which I'm talking about participants and data. So there were 41 graduate students, almost all teachers from fall 2016 class, and this was a 5-week course with 5 modules, 1 module per week, and there were 5 discussion board questions. There were 5 discussion boards, and in each discussion board there were 2 or 3 questions. For example, for week 1 there were 2 questions, and these are the questions. Write a short summary of your research study, giving an overview of your study, including the purpose and methods. And the second question was, what are several reasons you think all educators should be familiar with statistics? And these were based on the reading material provided within module 1, so they were guided questions. And the next module 2 consisted of these questions. Why is it important to remember association, not causation, when discussing correlations? So this question was in relation with the chapter on correlation. And the next question from module 2 was, what dangers might there be if researchers did not establish reliability and validity when testing hypotheses? So this was another question based on the chapter reading. And for week 3 you can see here 3 questions. One is, what is the main use of one sample G-test? And the second question was, when would it be appropriate to use a t-test for independent means? What is the key piece of information you must know in order to decide? And then you can read this third question is based on chapter 11, and it was asking when to use dependent samples t-test and when to use the other type of t-test. So the next one again shows the questions for module 4 and module 5, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because I want to show you the preliminary results, and the preliminary results are based on only week 1 responses, or discussion board 1 responses. And to the first question, students wrote their research topics, and those research topics were pretty much revolved around these words. So in their research topics, because they are teachers, so their research topics are around the topic of students' achievement or students' test scores. And because it was research topic, so the description of the research topic involved the word research, and you can see here the frequencies for different words. And this is the cirrus plot or word cloud, and this is the second discussion board question from the same week 1, and here student responses revolved around statistics, data, students, educators, and use. And these responses were based on that second question, which was asking, how do you think that statistics is useful to educators? Now this is a short video, so I'm not going to talk about the other analyses. I will talk about those in Q&A. So if you have any questions related with this project, please write me an email. My email address is mpant@uta.edu. Thank you.